Hello mga ka-last days. So just a quick announcement lang po. Sorry po doon sa previous days hindi ako nakakapag-video kasi sumama ang aking paramdam. And also I've been talking to God. We had this discussion. Tapos God told me na I need to pause muna doon sa second coming. So we will be pausing for that series. Ngayon po, he said to me that there's a lot of people na hindi alam yung tungkol sa salvation. It is really a must that we know how the salvation works and how we will be gaining the salvation from Jesus Christ. So the next series that we will be doing in next couple of videos po will be about salvation. So how did mankind started up to how yung basically yung first coming ng Diyos. Yun muna po yung unahin natin until the second coming. So I hope you will be supporting our next videos for the series of salvation. Sorry po talaga dun sa mga nag-aabang ng second coming, pero we'll be catching up next. Pero for the salvation, please support it and send it to your mga kakilala na hindi alam pa yung salvation. Kasi we need to win more souls. Alam mo, marapit na dumating si Jesus. So, we need to win more souls. So, ayan, God bless to everyone and have a good day. And thank you.